Now we will discuss the third unit of your syllabus. Actually there are 4 units in your syllabus. The first one is nomenclature of IUPAC nomenclature of organic compounds. Second unit is basic concepts in organic chemistry. Third unit is alkenes and alkynes, and the fourth unit is cycloalkanes, cycloalkenes and dienes. We will start now the fourth unit, that is cycloalkanes, cycloalkenes and dienes. In this we are going to discuss the first part of cycloalkanes. सायक्लोअल्केन मध्ये आपण दोन पार्ट केलेले आहेत. पहिल्या पार्ट मध्ये आपण प्रिपरेशन आणि केमिकल रिएक्शन पाहणार आहोत आणि दुसऱ्या पार्ट मध्ये आपण सायक्लोअल्केनच्या बेअर स्ट्रेन थेरी आणि शॅशमोर थेरी ह्या दोन थेरीज पाहणार आहोत. नाउ दिस इज द फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ सायक्लोअल्केन्स. Actually this is the syllabus of cycloalkanes. Introduction, preparation of cycloalkanes from adipic acid and aromatic hydrocarbon, Beer strain theory and Shashmore theory, ring opening reaction with H2 and Hi. This is the syllabus of cycloalkanes. In cycloalkanes, these are the points. Introduction, preparation methods, dehydration of cyclohexanol, hexenol, dehydrohalogenation of hexane, cyclohexane, dehydration of cyclohexanol, dehydrohalogenation of cyclohexane. There are two chemical reactions, epoxidation of cyclohexene and allylic halogenations. ह्या दोन केमिकल रिएक्शन्स आपण सायक्लोअल्केन्स मध्ये पाहणार आहोत. In the last part, that is dienes, introduction, classification, resonance, preparation methods, 1,4-dibromobutane, 1,4-butane diol पासून प्रिपरेशन आहे 1,3-butadieneचं आणि दोन केमिकल रिएक्शन्स आहेत. ॲडिशन ऑफ ब्रोमीन टू 1,3-butadiene, ॲडिशन ऑफ HBr टू 1,3-butadiene. दुसऱ्या पार्टमध्ये आपण डाईल-साल्डर रिएक्शन पाहणार आहोत, where there is addition of ethene to 1,3-butadiene, which is called as a डाईल-साल्डर reaction. Now today we are going to discuss the part of cycloalkanes. Cycloalkanes हा आपण पार्ट पाहणार आहोत, ज्याच्यामध्ये इंट्रोडक्शन आहे, प्रिपरेशन ऑफ सायक्लोअल्केन्स फ्रॉम adipic acid, aromatic hydrocarbons, then Beer strain theory and Shashmore theory, and the ring opening reactions with H2 and Hi. This is the content of cycloalkanes. Now today we are going to discuss only this much part, that is introduction, preparation and ring opening. These three parts we are going to discuss. What are cycloalkanes then? Cycloalkanes are closed chain, monocyclic, we can say monocyclic aliphatic saturated hydrocarbons containing all carbon-carbon single bonds. Cycloalkanes are aliphatic saturated closed chain hydrocarbons containing carbon-carbon single bonds. Cycloalkanes, there are two parts, cyclo and alkanes. Alkanes which are cyclic, in fact monocyclic, they are called as cycloalkanes. The general formula of cycloalkanes is CnH2n. Cycloalkanes have the general formula CnH2n, which is similar to the general formula of alkenes. Alkeneचा आणि cycloalkaneचा general formula same आहे, CnH2n. They are also called as alicyclic compounds. Aliphatic plus cyclic, alicyclic, because their properties are very similar to those of aliphatic hydrocarbons, alkanes. Alicyclic compound, aliphatic, cyclic closed chain. Therefore closed chain saturated hydrocarbons, cycloalkanes, are also called as alicyclic compounds. Thus the cycloalkanes are also called as alicyclic compounds. Another name for cycloalkanes is alicyclic, aliphatic, cyclic. So cycloalkanes, that is alicyclic compounds, they have general formula CnH2n, another name alicyclic compounds. Now we'll see some examples of cycloalkanes. Cyclopropane, 3 carbon atoms, saturated but cyclic, therefore cyclopropane. 4 carbon atoms, saturated, and these are some examples of cycloalkanes. Cyclopropane, 3 carbon atoms, saturated. 3 कार्बन असलेला सॅच्युरेटेड कंपाऊंड आहे प्रोपेन, परंतु सायक्लिक असल्यामुळे सायक्लोप्रोपेन. सिमिलरली सायक्लोब्युटेन, सिमिलरली सायक्लोपेंटेन, 5 कार्बन atoms, cyclohexane, 6 carbon atoms. This is the molecular formula and structural formula showing a chart. Here see that this CH2 CH2 CH2, it can be shown like this. This is the molecule cyclobutane, which is shown like this, and cyclobutane we can show like this. Therefore these are simple structures by which we can show the cycloalkanes: cyclopropane, cyclobutane, cyclopentane, cyclohexane. Now we will see preparation of cycloalkanes from adipic acid. When the calcium or barium salt of adipic acid is heated, a cyclic ketone is formed. When the calcium or barium salt of adipic acid is heated, a cyclic ketone is formed. That cyclic ketone is converted into corresponding cycloalkane by means of the Clemmensen reduction. So here one example, barium adipate is used here. This is the barium salt of adipic acid, that is barium adipate. After heating, there is loss of carbon dioxide here, barium oxide here. That means here carbon dioxide is lost. 2 carbon dioxide molecules are lost here. एक CO2 इथला एक CO2, 2 CO2 निघून गेले आणि हे सायक्लिक कीटोन आपल्याला मिळालं. दिस इज सायक्लिक कीटोन. That means in the first step there is formation of cyclic ketone. Now this cyclic ketone undergoes Clemmensen reduction to give cyclopentane. This CO is converted into CH2. CO is converted into CH2 using ZnHg, that is zinc amalgam. The reduction reaction is called as a Clemmensen reduction reaction. That means cyclic ketones obtained are converted into cycloalkanes by Clemmensen reduction. By Clemmensen reduction reaction. Now this is the first preparation method, that is preparation of cycloalkanes from adipic acid. Adipic पासून adipic ॲसिडचा आपण बेरियम सॉल्ट वापरलेला आहे. त्या बेरियम सॉल्टला हीट केल्याच्या नंतर त्याच्यापासून आपल्याला सायक्लिक कीटोन मिळालं. सायक्लिक कीटोनचं रिडक्शन केल्याच्या नंतर आपल्याला करस्पॉन्डिंग अल्केन मिळालेलं आहे. नाउ फ्रॉम ॲरोमॅटिक हायड्रोकार्बन्स, कॅटॅलिटिक हायड्रोजनेशन ॲट एलिव्हेटेड टेम्परेचर अँड प्रेशर ऑफ ॲरोमॅटिक हायड्रोकार्बन्स give cycloalkanes. For example, benzene may be catalytically hydrogenated at elevated temperature and pressure to yield cyclohexane. बेंझिनचं म्हणजे किंवा कुठल्याही ॲरोमॅटिक कंपाऊंडचं हायड्रोजनेशन केल्याच्या नंतर आपल्याला करस्पॉन्डिंग सायक्लोअल्केन मिळेल. हिअर बेंझिन इज कॅटॅलिटिकली हायड्रोजनेटेड विथ द निकेल 200 डिग्री सेल्सियस अंडर प्रेशर. देर इज फॉर्मेशन ऑफ सायक्लोहेक्झेन. आपल्याला ह्या रिॲक्शनमध्ये हा ॲरोमॅटिक हायड्रोकार्बन आहे, याचा आपण हायड्रोजनेशन केलेलं आहे अंडर प्रेशर अँड टेम्परेचर, एलिव्हेटेड टेम्परेचर अँड प्रेशर. हायर टेम्परेचर आणि हायर प्रेशरला आपण ही रिॲक्शन कॅरी आउट केली आणि ह्या ठिकाणी आपल्याला मिळालं सायक्लोहेक्झेन. इथं बेंझिन घेतल्यामुळं आपल्याला जो कंपाऊंड मिळाला तो सायक्लोहेक्झेन मिळालेला आहे. दिस इज द सेकंड प्रिपरेशन मेथड ऑफ सायक्लोअल्केन्स, दॅट इज from aromatic hydrocarbons. Now chemical reactions, ring opening reaction with H2 and HI. Cyclopropane and cyclobutane reacts with hydrogen in the presence of nickel catalyst to produce propane and N-butane. Cyclopropane and cyclobutane, when reacted with hydrogen in the presence of nickel catalyst, produce propane and N-butane. ह्या ठिकाणी ring open होईल, ring opening होईल. See here, this is cyclopropane, ring आहे, reacting with H2, it is giving propane in the presence of nickel catalyst at 80 degrees Celsius. This is cyclobutane, hydrogenation with nickel catalyst at 200 degrees Celsius. There is formation of propane here in the first step and N-butane in the second step. See here, in these two reactions, these are hydrogenation reactions, hydrogen is added. In the presence of nickel, this is 80 degree, nickel 200 degree. Now here this bond gets broken, ह्या ठिकाणी हा बॉन्ड ब्रेक होईल आणि आपल्याला CH3 असा मॉलिक्यूल मिळेल. ज्यावेळेला हा बॉन्ड ब्रेक होईल, हा बॉन्ड इथून ब्रेक होईल, आपल्याला अशा पद्धतीचा कंपाऊंड मिळेल. Here there are 3 carbon atoms, here there are 4 carbon atoms. This is propane, this is butane. जर सायक्लोप्रोपेन वापरलं तर प्रोपेन, सायक्लोब्युटेन वापरलं तर N-butane. Here in this bond gets broken here. हा बॉन्ड इथं ब्रेक झाला, वरच्या मॉलिक्यूलमध्ये तिथून ब्रेक झाला, आपल्याला प्रोपेन आणि N-butane मिळाला. Now the second reaction with HI. Cyclopropane reacts with concentrated HI to give 1 iodopropane, N-propyl iodide. See here, this is cyclopropane reacting with HI. परत ह्या ठिकाणी हा H ह्या कार्बनकडे जाईल, हा I ह्या कार्बनकडे जाईल आणि आपल्याला CH3 CH2I मिळेल, that is N-propyl iodide. This is the reaction in which cyclopropane is reacting with HI, giving 1 iodopropane. Remember that this reaction is not given by cyclobutane and other members. Only cyclopropane gives this reaction. That means when cyclopropane is reacted with concentrated HI, it gives 1 iodopropane. So this is the end of the first part of cycloalkanes. ह्या पार्टमध्ये आपण 2 प्रिपरेशन मेथड्स पाहिले, एक ॲडिपिक ॲसिड पासून आणि दुसरी so in this cycloalkane first part we had seen preparation method, one from adipic acid, second one from aromatic hydrocarbons, and there are 2 ring opening reactions, one with H2 and second one is with HI. So here we have finished cycloalkane part, first part.